Hello students, in this session we are going to be talking about how to represent inequality on a number line. In the previous lesson we have learnt about what an inequality is. So say for example if I pick x greater than 5, what all are we going to be getting? We already know we have 4 inequalities to represent. X is greater than 5, it could be x less than 5, it could be x greater than equal to 5 or less than equal to 5. So overall we are either going to be getting the symbol greater, lesser, greater than equal to, or lesser than, less than equal to. So let's very quickly understand what exactly we do in here. Whenever you get x less than, whenever you get the lesser symbol, less, maybe less than 5. So what you're gonna do, 5, just try finding out where 5 is. Okay, our 5 is here. This is what our 5 is. What you're gonna be doing when it is no inequality of, no equal sign over there, just less or greater, you are going to be drawing an empty circle there, right? It would be empty, hollow circle there. And what your inequality shows, it shows the arrowhead to the left side. So just draw a line where you have to draw an arrowhead like that. If the arrowhead is towards left, so your line is going to be moving towards left, right? So we will take because it's just less than, so we'll draw an empty circle on 5. First thing is find out the number. If it is 5, you will find out 5, draw an empty circle over there and move towards left. It's a lesser symbol. Less means left. Just remember that. And even the arrowhead, like if you see the symbol, arrowhead points towards the left direction. Similarly, if you get an inequality where x is greater than 8, maybe x is greater than 8. This time x is greater. That means it would move towards right side, no? The arrow would be something like this. From where will it start? It will start from 8 because it's just a greater, like comparison symbol. So you will draw an empty circle over there and draw a line moving towards right. So these symbols, like this symbol itself and that symbol, these symbols, they help us understand which direction to move. That's it. I will talk about other two very soon, but let's quickly focus on practicing these two. Here, if I give you x is greater than minus 2, and the next inequality is x is less than 1. How will you do that? Just pause the video, draw a number line on your notebook, quickly finalize that, like draw your thing, and then just play this and see if you have done it correct or not. Okay, let's discuss about this one. X is greater than minus 2. What you have to do first? Locate minus 2. Minus 2 is here. Because it's just the greater than symbol, we will draw a circle, an empty circle, and the direction would be right side. You will draw it like that. Make sense? And that's what your inequality. You are representing inequality. This is how easy it is. Next question says x is less than 1. Locate where 1 is. We have 1 here. Draw a circle. It will be empty. And the arrowhead points towards left. Let's move that side only. And this is how we represent the same. Do you get that? Now, let's move to the next understanding where we have to focus on x is greater than and equal to. I've taken the symbol greater than equal to 7 and x is less than equal to 5 maybe. Correct. This is what we have. Again, we have to locate 7. That is the first condition. We have located 7. arrowhead points towards right. So from 7, it would be a circle pointing towards right. Everything is same. But one new thing will be added because of this thing. You have greater than equal. That means this is going to be a filled circle. That's it. It wouldn't be an empty circle. We show an empty circle, that means not included. If an empty circle is there on 7, that means 7 is not included. But 8, 9, 10 are included. If the circle is on 7 with a filled circle, like it's not hollow, it's not empty, it's filled one, that means 7 is also included. And here we know that answers are going to be 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now let's talk about the other one. We have x less than equal to 5. The very first thing is to locate 5, where 5 is here. Okay, as we were doing earlier, we're going to be doing the same thing. A circle, arrowhead points towards the left. We will draw a line towards left. That's correct. Are we missing something? Yes, this equal. So we have to just fill it. Correct? Whenever you have less than equal or greater than equal, you will draw a filled circle. We will have circles here, but these circles are going to be the filled circles. Correct? When you have just greater than or less than symbols, you just need to draw empty circles. If you have the symbol like this, the line will go like that. If you have the symbol like this, it gives you the arrowhead. Do you get that? Just pick that arrow, pick that head and draw your line. Isn't it easy? Let's do one last question. Keeping all the things together. X is greater than 2. X is less than minus 9. X is greater than equal to 3. X is less than equal to 4. Let's try these questions. Okay, the first question, A, B, C and D. Okay, let's do A. What we have to do first? Yes, locate the number. It is here. Is it going to be empty or full? It is empty. So we will draw an empty circle. The arrowhead points towards the right. Okay, fine. That's what our representation is. Done. So we are done with this. If you have done the same, you are correct. Next is x is less than equal to minus 9. Okay, so where is minus 9? Here. We have located empty or full? Empty circle. Let's draw an empty circle and just locate the arrowhead goes left. Done. Correct. Let's move to the C part. X is greater than equal to 3. Locate the number. The number is 3. Where it is? Here. Okay. Let's draw the circle. Arrowhead points towards the right. We did that. Empty or full? It is full. Don't forget. Okay. Now, the other one, x is less than equal to 4. So 4, let's locate the number. Number is here. Direction, left side. Straight to the left. Okay. Empty or full? It's going to be full. It would be a filled circle. Why? Because it's less than equal to 4. Hope that makes sense? So that is it, and it is very easy peasy lemon squeezy. One more session we need for understanding solving inequalities. That is it. See you soon. Take care.